In this video, I go over how to register for WebAssign. So in the gray navigation panel to the left, we're going to see a link that says course syllabus and important forms. Now, there will be more forms that will appear, and I will let you know when they're there via the announcements. But for now, all we have is just the WebAssign registration instructions. So we're going to click on this, and as you can see here, I got these nice detailed directions. Step one, you're going to click on this link, which is just a website. I mean, you don't have to click on it, but it's easier if you do click on it. And once you do, it's going to show you this picture right here. It's going to say, let's get you enrolled in your courses. Now it's going to ask for a course key. The course key is right here. So your course key is ccac.cc.pa. Hit the space bar. 2906 spacebar 2452. If you want to, you can also just highlight this, copy and paste it. It should work. And then you're going to click on enroll. Once you do that, this is what you're going to see here. It's going to say, hey, welcome to Cengage. This is our book. Here's the instructor, me, John Floats, Math 165. This is going to say Z05. All right, this is just the stock image that I had from a previous semester. But it's going to say Z05. You're going to be in the right spot, don't worry. If you have a WebAssign account, you're going to go ahead and sign in. But if you do not, you're going to have to create an account, which is pretty easy. Please select student if you're creating an account. You're going to want to enter your email. And the email that I would like you to use would be your CCAC email. That is not required, okay? What's most important is that you use an email that you check. Because once I show you how to use WebAssign and everything, if you ask me questions, that is the email that I'm going to use because I do all the question and answering stuff within WebAssign itself. Please go ahead and enter the required information. This right here where it says, I want to receive important Cengage updates and information, you do not have to click that. In fact, I wouldn't. But you do have to click on the I agree to terms of use and privacy policy. So go ahead and click that and then press next. Once you hit next, it's going to ask you to verify your email address. So that is why you're going to use an email that you check. Go to the email. It's going to say, something like, hey, verify, click this link. When you click that link, that is where you set up a password. Okay? And once your password is created, you're going to be redirected back to the WebAssign login page. And after you log in, you're going to see something like this, where right here, where I'm highlighting this, once again, this is just a stock image that I had. You'll see our course. Everything will be ready for you there. Okay? But in the upper right-hand corner, with the little yellow button there, sorry about that, it's going to say Review Purchase Options. Okay? This is why, and hopefully you've read my announcements. I've already sent like 2 of them out this semester. I'm sorry, between the semesters. This is why I said don't do anything. And the reason for that is if you decide to purchase this through WebAssign itself, all right, you can save yourself some money. I tried to keep this as cheap as possible. And this is the cheapest option that I had available to me. So one-term access is just 4 months. But if you already have WebAssign, you may have more time left on that initial purchase that you made prior to my course. So what I would do is this. I would go ahead, sign up, get everything in there, okay? And then if you've already purchased WebAssign before and you used it in a different class, just go ahead and see if it's still valid. If it's not, you're going to have to get it. So like I said, you can save yourself $25. 25 or 30, I forget what it is at the bookstore. But anyways, if you already bought an access code and you've never had WebAssign before, this is where you enter the access code. So it says already purchased, enter your access code here. All right. So basically, when you get to this point, there's going to be 3 options that you're going to have. 1, you've never used WebAssign before, which means you're going to have to purchase it. Option 2, you've used WebAssign before. Try to log in, see if you still have some time left on that pass. Or option 3, which is you went to the bookstore and you bought an access code from the bookstore within the last 2 weeks. This is where you would go ahead and type in that access code. All right. The access code and the course key are different. The access code is for WebAssign. The course key is to enroll into the course. Okay. So they are two completely different numbers. If you have any questions, all you have to do is email me. I can walk you through it. We can meet via Zoom or something like that. All right. And you can share your screen and I can go ahead and look at it that way. That's going to be it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.